Alright, so I'm checking traps today, and we got a field over there. You can see the corner of it, and we got a four-wheeler trail runs in, and then I'm walking down the four-wheeler trail following a set of tracks down the four-wheeler trail, and I have a trap right over here. As you can see, there's no tracks headed this way, but I do have a gray fox in my trap, and this is pretty awesome because I'm up in northwestern corner of Pennsylvania, and we do not have many of these. This is my first gray fox. We have a lot of red fox. I see them all the time, but this is the first gray fox that I've ever even seen. I didn't think we had any out here, so he's not real happy. But he must, oh, he did. He came from over here to the left. He might have doubled back. I'll go check the tracks in a little bit, but I'll give you a look at this guy. Really nice front pad catch. And I had the dirt hole right underneath that stump, and then trap bedded just 6 inches offset a little bit. And he's real vocal, not happy at all. Beautiful guy though. I'm gonna go ahead and get him dispatched, but if you watch my videos, if you stay tuned, I actually caught him on the bait that I made. It was actually, I made it 10 days ago, set these traps. Would have been last Saturday, and went through a whole week, and I was getting kind of discouraged, so after a week of letting them sit, I rebaited them. I didn't do anything with lures. I just rebaited the hole because we did get quite a bit of rain. I thought maybe the scent had dispersed a little bit, so I wanted them directed just at the hole, so I only baited the hole. And I had put up, when I originally put this up, I had lure on some sticks and twigs and stuff, and then some lure on that stump, but I let that sit for a few days, and like I said, wasn't catching anything, so I rebaited with that mouse beaver tail oil bait that you can check out that video. I rebaited that on last Friday, and it's Tuesday today, so we just had a snow last night. This snow is from last night, and that's probably what got these guys moving. Hopefully we'll go check the other couple traps that I set, and we'll see if we have anything else. So it looks like he came down this way. I got another set over there, and then might have come doubled back, and then I caught him right over there. And he looks like it, but there's 2 sets here, so I'm gonna go check this one right now. So my other one is right at that log that you can kind of see covered up. So nothing over there, but the tracks do continue this way a little ways. I'm going to continue to follow those and just see where they go. Maybe there's another fox out here that they're running together. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, so I got the remake done here, and you can kind of see what it looked like with the dirt hole before. Dirt hole is at the edge of the stump there. I had a little bit of lure on there, a little bit of lure on like a stick over here, and then I put my mouse bait with beaver tail oil down in the hole. The trap's bedded right there, and I put a leaf, hopefully you can see it, right on top of the pan, so I know where the pan is. But you know, I'm kind of makeshifting this afterwards, and hopefully I put enough guiding sticks over here and a few guiding sticks over here that they walk over the pan. I think they will. Again, if anything comes by, and actually, I don't know if you can see right there, while I was getting ready to dispatch this guy, he got scared and added a little bit of scent to my spot. So this spot has plenty of scent right now, and if anything comes in, they should smell it from downwind. The wind's headed that way, which is where this guy came from, so I'm assuming he walked down the trail, smelt some of the lure, bait, whatever, and then decided to come right up through this brushy stuff, and I got him. So you know, something like that could happen again, because we got a lot of scent floating that way. So we'll see in the next few days.